Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Archana Mhatre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department. In this video, we are going to continue with the fourth unit of microcontroller and application, that is 8051 memory and input-output device interfacing. In this video, we will study about A to D converter and D to A converter interface with the 8051 microcontroller. So we will start with the interfacing of DAC, that is digital to analog converter 0808 to 8051 microcontroller. Microcontroller generates the output which is in digital form, but many controlling system requires analog signal as they don't accept digital data, thus making it necessary to use DAC, that is digital to analog converter, which converts the digital data into equivalent analog voltage. In the figure shown, we use the 8-bit D to A converter 0808. This IC converts the 8-bit digital data into equivalent analog current. Hence, we required an I to V converter to convert this current into equivalent voltage. The DAC 0808 is an 8-bit monolithic digital to analog converter, and full-scale output current settling time of this DAC 0808 is 150 nanosecond, and it consumes only 33 milliwatt with plus or minus 5 volt supplies. Figure shows the interfacing of DAC 0808 with the 8051 microcontroller, where port 1 is connected to data pins of DAC 0808, that is D0 to D7. The output of the DAC is in the form of current, but we need voltage, so voltage as output, so current to voltage converter is used. So here this is the interfacing diagram of DAC 0808 with 8051 microcontroller. Here the output of the DAC is in the form of current. So to convert the current into voltage, here the op-amp is used, 741 op-amp is used. Now DAC is connected to port 1 of the 8051 microcontroller. Now assembly language program to generate the triangular waveform by using DAC 0808. So for writing the program, first we will initialize program with memory location 0000H. Then move the accumulator, move the 00 value to the accumulator, that means to clear the accumulator. Then move same value to the port 1. Then increment port 1 value, that is increment accumulator value, and compare it with the highest value, that is FFH. If it is not equal, then increment, jump to the label increment, and if it is equal, then move the accumulator value to port 1, then decrement accumulator, and again compare it with the accumulator with the 00H value, and again accumulator value and 00 value is not equal, then jump to the decrement label, and if it is equal, then stop the program. Next, to generate the square wave by using DAC 0808. Here for to generation of square wave, first move the value FFH to the port 0 for high pulse, then wait for some time by calling delay. Then again move the value 00H to port 0 to for low pulse, and again wait for some delay. And if you want to repeat the square wave, then S jump again, the again label is on the first instruction. It is the program delay program, subroutine program. Now next, assembly language program to generate the sawtooth waveform by using DAC 0808. Now for sawtooth waveform, make accumulator first 00, then content of accumulator should be moved to the port 1, then increment accumulator value and compare accumulator value with the highest value FFH. If it is not equal, then increment, jump to the label increment, and repeat the procedure, and if it is equal then stop the program. Now next, analog to digital converter ADC0808. This is the pin configuration of ADC0808 IC. The ADC0808 has 8 channel, and a particular channel is selected by using the address decoder line. This is the table, shows the input status. Here the analog channel, here analog is converted into the digital. So here the analog channel IN0 to IN7. These are the address line A, B and C. This is the pin diagram of ADC0808. Now here the pin configuration of ADC0808. First pin number 1 to 5, 27 and 28 for analog channel 1 to 5. Then 6 pin number for start the operation, start the conversion. Then pin number 7 is EOC, that is end of conversion. Then pin number 8, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20, 21 for output 2 raised to minus 1 to 2 raised to minus 7. Pin number 9 is for output enable. Pin number 10 for clock. Pin number 11 for VCC. Pin number 12 for V reference plus. Pin number 13 for ground. Pin number 16 for V reference minus. And pin number 22 for ALE, that is address latch enable. Then pin number 23, 4, 24 and 25 for 3 address lines. Address 1, address A, address B and address C. With the help of this address line, a particular channel can be selected. ADC0808 is a converter that has 8 analog inputs and 8 digital outputs. ADC0808 allows us to monitor up to 8 different transducers using only single chip. This eliminates the need of external zero and full-scale adjustment. Now this is the interfacing diagram of ADC0808 with 8051 microcontroller. In this interfacing diagram, you can see here, this is the 8051 microcontroller and this is the ADC0808 pin. Now this ADC0808 can be interfaced with the 8051 microcontroller. These are the input of the ADC0808, 8 inputs, and from DB0 to DB7. These are the output lines of the ADC. The input of this analog input is converted to the digital value, and that digital value can be transferred to the port 2 of the microcontroller 8051. So this is the interfacing diagram connection of the ADC0808 with 8051 microcontroller. Thank you.